Hello there everyone, and welcome back. My name is Lisa, and I am so glad that you are here watching today. Where I'm at, summer is on its way and school is almost out, and with that comes adventure and travel. So I headed into TJ Maxx looking for a few things that would help make my travels easier, more streamlined, and maybe a little less chaotic. And I hit the jackpot on this day because everything was fully stocked in the travel section. They had so many great things to choose from. So I decided to pick up the camera and bring you along in hopes that maybe you see something that you need or would just love to have to also streamline and simplify your travel and packing needs in the upcoming months. You can already see from this first section of travel accessories that there are so many things to help you travel with less packaging and bulk. Coming around the corner, we have travel bags, more travel accessories that are going to help you to pack. These pouches, packing cubes. I love to use packing cubes. And just little bags to keep things sorted, especially when I had younger kids. Now, obviously, older, they pack themselves. And then tons of TSA approved bottles and packaging that you can take your bigger products and put them in the smaller sizes so that they can go in your carry-on. And in true uniquely Lisa form, I picked up several things straight away. Why I don't go get a basket? If you've been around for any amount of time for my shop with me's, you will realize I just load my arms down. So I didn't get prices on these things. In my opinion, everything is reasonably priced. It is competitive with Amazon. You can also order at tjmaxx.com and have it shipped to you if you are not close to a TJ Maxx location. So that is a handy option for those of you that live somewhere far from a TJ Maxx. And oh my goodness, they had so many neck and travel pillows. These are great not just for travel, but also if you have neck issues. So when you're sitting on the couch or in your chair, highly recommend those as well. Luggage tags. These were so unique and fun. They would help identify a plain black bag or just stick out and be cute. And when packing, don't forget to put in an umbrella. You never know what the weather is going to hold. We have more travel accessories. I love to travel with a luggage scale. Belt bags, security belt bags. These are a great safe way to travel and keep your hands free so that you can reach all your documents through boarding and gate checks. TJ Maxx had a lot of carry-ons, weekender bags, shoulder bags, laptop bags, travel backpacks, you name it, they had it to choose from. Some really pretty and stylish options. They also had a lot of suitcases or luggage pieces that work great to go underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin as a carry-on. And then so many luggage and suitcase options. I was absolutely in love with this pink, juicy, hard-sided suitcase. And if I needed one, it would have come home with me. If you haven't already, I invite you to hit that red subscribe bar and ring your bell, setting your notifications to all. I would love to have you join the community here and be a part of the Uniquely Lesa family. I am so thankful for each and every one of you that stops by, that watches, likes, shares, and comments. I just really enjoy talking to you in the comments below, so don't leave without posting a message and I'll get back to you. I found exactly what I was looking for when I went into TJ Maxx. I got 2 boxes of these 4-pack roll and pack bags. They were $5.99 each. They're compression bags. I also bought this inflatable bottle pouch. It's clear, so it's TSA approved. They can easily see what's in it and they don't have to unwrap everything. Not because we ever really bring bottles back, but we always have fragile souvenirs, and I thought that might be a good solution for it. It was also $5.99. I hope that you saw something in today's Shop With Me that you can use on your upcoming travels, whether it's for fun or for business. As life gets back into the swing of things, I hope that you are able to go on the most excellent adventure. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.